In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Survey. By the end, you'll have the two tools talking to each other so you can trigger surveys from your CRM and see responses alongside your leads and contacts, all without manual copy-paste. Start in Zoho CRM on the home page. Look to the top right for the Setup gear icon. Click that to open the Setup area. If you don't see the gear or can't access Setup, you may need admin permissions, so check with your CRM administrator before continuing. Inside Setup, head to the Marketplace. This is where you manage extensions and native integrations. Click the Zoho section to filter down to apps from the Zoho suite. This keeps things tidy and makes it easier to find the official survey integration. Locate the Zoho Survey tile and click Setup Now. You'll be guided through enabling the connection. It's a good idea to glance at any permission prompts you see here, so you know what data will be shared between CRM and Survey. Everything requested should align with standard integration needs. Next, click Get Started Now. This begins the actual connection flow and gets CRM ready to link with your survey environment. You'll be asked to choose a portal. A portal in Zoho Survey is the workspace where your survey projects live. Select the portal your team uses for lead or customer outreach. For example, you could pick a portal dedicated to new leads if that's where you plan to run onboarding or qualification surveys. Choosing the correct portal matters because it determines which surveys and settings are available through the integration. After that, choose a department. Departments help organize surveys and access within your portal. Pick the department that aligns with your CRM use case, such as marketing, sales, or a team-specific group. This keeps permissions and ownership clean, and it ensures the right people can manage responses. Click Next to review your selections. Take a second to confirm the portal and department are exactly what you want, especially if your organization has multiple workspaces. Finally, click Done. That completes the connection. You should now see survey options inside CRM, like the ability to send surveys from lead or contact records and a place to view related responses. If you don't see them right away, refresh your browser. You can revisit the same setup area later to adjust the portal or department if your needs change. And that's it. Your Zoho CRM and Zoho Survey are integrated and ready to use. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.